Welcome to Yum Home, the world of delicious, tasty recipes, and a place where you find inspiration and ideas for your home. The food and interior design go hand in hand. The delicious food you enjoy in a restaurant will even taste better when it's enjoyed in an attractive and well-designed setting. The combination of food and interior design can be the perfect way to make a house feel like home. We are passionate about creating delicious meals that are both nutritious and tasty. We strive to bring you unique and creative recipes that will make your taste buds burst with flavor. Whether you are a novice cook or a seasoned chef, our channel has something for everyone. From continental dishes to Chinese, we know you will find something that's just right for you. So we are likewise a home that is tastefully decorated with interior design elements can make a meal truly memorable. Whether you are hosting a dinner party or just want to make your home feel cozier, the right combination of food and interior design can be just what you need. Here we will be exploring all the different ways you can make your home look, feel, and taste amazing. From furniture to art, color combination, lighting to the decor pieces. Lighting can play a huge role in setting the mood, and the light layout can create a feeling of comfort and convenience. So subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media, like, subscribe and share with your friend.